Attorney General of Hong Kong vs. Humphreys Estate, Queen's Gardens, 1987. An agreement in principle was marked, subject to contract. The government would acquire some flats owned the plaintiff group of companies in return for the government granting, inter alia, a lease to the group of some Crown lands. The government was allowed to and did take possession of the flats and spent money upon them and moved some civil servants into them, the Crown accordingly disposing of the premises where those civil servants had previously resided. On the other side of the bargain, the government allowed the group to enter the Crown land and to demolish buildings upon it. However, the requisite forms of documents were never executed. Lord Templeman said, the government acted in the hope that a voluntary agreement in principle expressly made, subject to contract, and therefore not binding, would eventually be followed by the achievement of legal relationships in the form of grants and transfers of property. It is possible but unlikely that in circumstances at present unforeseeable a party to negotiations set out in a document expressed to be subject to contract would be able to satisfy the court that the parties had subsequently agreed to convert the document into a contract, or that some form of estoppel had arisen to prevent both parties from refusing to proceed with the transactions envisaged by the document.